Windows Weekly rolls in with the winners and dozers, new specs on my face, Richard beaming in from Copenhagen, and a quick Legoland tale before we dive into a very packed week. I binged Build WWDC and Google I/O sessions, and the through line is clear. On Build, the Windows App SDK momentum is real. Think a React-style WinUI path without mandatory XAML and a CLI that takes a plain description and scaffolds a Windows app grounded in official docs. Microsoft's sudden zeal to polish Windows 11 reads like groundwork for agents. The platform has to be steady if you want reliable, local, and hybrid AI.
So Windows is getting better, but mostly to serve the agent story, not us.
Right, and with usage-based AI pricing biting, local models matter more. Copilot Plus PCs still lack a killer app, even as on-device tricks like super resolution keep improving.
That gap widens fast when you compare a modest Copilot spec to a spendy NVIDIA rig.
Exactly. NVIDIA blows past the original TOPS targets, and Microsoft is widening Windows AI APIs to use CPU, GPU, or an NPU so more machines can run this stuff. The Copilot Plus label may be a waypoint.
Feels like the spec eventually becomes, well, the baseline for every PC.
The shape is hybrid, local agents, sub-agents, and an orchestrator that decides when to stay on device and when to burst to cloud based on capability and cost.
Then stop making me pick a model from a dropdown and just choose the right one for the job.
Totally. The OS and SDKs should pick dynamically because the best model changes constantly and manual choice is a sign the stack's still immature.
Change is steady, but silent updates without version bumps make trust and selection murky.
Which is why orchestration needs to be automatic yet policy aware with guardrails for privacy, cost ceilings, and when cloud is allowed. I also reject the idea that only veteran devs can ship at scale. AI-assisted coding is already producing solid apps in minutes, shifting value from handcrafting code to nailing the spec and prompt.
That anxiety rhymes with the old move from Exchange boxes to Cloud Mail. Roles change, outcomes improve.
Patch Tuesday was massive, 26 fixes with multiple 0 days, and Microsoft says their internal AI tooling is now helping surface issues. For us, the visible bits are smaller, but welcome. You get Bluetooth LE shared audio for 2 headsets, multi-app camera access, a step to name your user folder during setup, and a low latency boost that speeds launches and search.
Camera sharing is about saner resource handling, so one app does not hog the device.
Insider rings are catching up on features like taskbar agents, but this release is mainly security weight and light UX frosting.
Talking up AI found bugs is also a good way to market new security tooling.
Sure, and we all know attackers have models too, so this AI versus AI trench war is already underway. Need hardware blip, a budget